Right, good evening everybody. I said it right this time. Joe's off comms, but said it right, so no. We're at the ABR festival for 2024. Put my goggles on. Oh, my strap-ons come off. Oh, I was just going to get on the road because it's all quiet, and now I've got 3 million bikes here. Thank you very, very much to everyone that sort of come and said hello, come and said they love my channel, come and said they really like keep up the videos and all that sort of stuff. There's been loads of you. Like, I feel actually quite famous, which is nice. A lot of very, very nice people. It took me 4 hours or 3 hours to walk around the festival because there were so many people just stopping every 5 minutes and just saying, oh, hello. Very, very kind of you. I'm going to go now. I hope that camera's not going to go flying. There'll probably be a lot of panting on this audio, so I do apologise. I try not to go too fast because I always get told off for speeding around here. Whee! Cheeky bit of rev limiter. Little bit of air. There are so many people here this year, it's really, really busy. I probably should get out of rally mode on the throttle because it's not incredibly useful to have a throttle that comes on immediately as soon as you touch it. This is the stuff I don't like, this sand and stone and whatever. Right, these Tenere boys look like they know what they're doing. Sit down, get the weight on the rear. Oh my god, there's so much dust, I can't see a thing. I literally can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, there. Oh, just hit the pegs on the floor. Oh god, this bike's so good. Have we had an off? It looks like we've had an off. Yeah, it looks like someone's come off. There's been a few offs this year, so I do recommend if you're going to come to the ABR festival, get some knobblies on, wait for a quieter time. Just go around at your own pace, do not go around at anyone else's pace. It's never good for anyone, is it? It's never good for you damaging your bike, never good for the marshals having to clean up after you. I'm going to have to get past this woman because otherwise I'm going to get accused of looking at her ass. Right, should we go through the bog? The first bog anyway. This is where I came off last year. I dropped it in here. Oh, what's that list is? Yeah, that was boggy as hell. Ah, she's down. Right. You fat bitch, you are. All right. Jesus, I'm knackered. God, this is hard on this bike. Oh, I'm in third, probably doesn't help Sam. This is quite a big dip. God, I love this bike. This is a road model KTM. How is it doing this well? This is doing better than me. I'm knackered. I've eaten nothing but sort of pulled pork burgers and all sorts of stuff. This is very, 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 very deep rut. I'm going to see if I can catch up with Joe. Oh, little wheelie off-road. I can feel my fat jiggling a lot coming down the hill. Little bit there. Right, let's go. There's a jump down here somewhere, I think. There it is. Oh, look everyone, there's Joe. Let's go catch him. Come on, you're right. Or coming round. I'll let you do the corner. Go, go, go. Little bit of a hill climb going on. GS on its side. Do you want a hand? Yeah, fair play. Good man. I think this Tenere is trying to catch up with me. Bye! Yeah, see you later. Get that leg out. Can't see, can't see, can't see. Take him up the inside. Fuck, God, this bike's so loud. Bouncing over the rev limiter. I love this. Oh, they've reopened this bit, which is good. This is where the guy fell off the other day. This bike's got so much power, it's actually baffling. Baffling? Don't know what you mean. It's got a really loud bang from the airbox. Oh, there's a there's a thing there. Went round the outside of the trail. Easy, super easy. Loads of bloody sand. Someone's messaged me. Not now, Alpha Bikes. Not now, Alpha Bikes. Bit busy. Bloody hell, I've got arm pump. I've got anyone behind me. Oh, keeping up with the Enduro boys on 50/50 tyres on a 250 kilo adventure bike. I said I wasn't going to do an ABR video this year, but this is basically all ABR video. Oh, GS is down. Shit. Yes! Fuck hell! Yeah! God, that went sideways! God, that is a big slope. God, good bike! Oh shit, it is the bog. Fuck! Yes! Go on, girl! Caution hazard. Oh, this is where I went down. Oh, Jesus! Oh my God, that was a big one. Way shit. Ooh, overcooked that one. Right, let's go down. No! We'll just wait. We'll wait. Yeah, and him as well. He did all the work. Ready? I'll help you up, yeah? 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. He's out. Got a bloody preload adjuster warning because I stalled in there. God. Cheers, mate. Oh, I love this bike so much. What an absolute weapon this thing is. Too fast, Sam, too fast. Too fast. God, I'm knackered. That flag is really inconvenient there. It is for bike heads though. Bikeheads, Halvarssons, bikeheads, bikeheads, Halvarssons. Oh, the boys. Who are these boys? This guy on the GS is very much like me. Just keeps spinning his rear wheel up for no reason whatsoever. Oh, this breeze is beautiful through my jacket. Halvarssons. Oh, Vika jacket.
I'd come and find you on the other trail, but by the time I get there, you're going away.
Yeah, I did it. I kept up with all the enduro bikes.
Go through the bog?
Yeah, I fell off once. You know the bog where you turn right and it goes parallel to the road? Did that completely fine. Got out the other side, it's all just bog.
It's all wet?
Yeah. So as soon as you hit that, I went into a rut and the bike just sort of did that, and it only just, I put it down. The main bog, I didn't go through the big one.
No, I've not even been on that.
No, but...
Those people getting stuck, what's the point of that?
Yeah.
And if I stall that, you've got to kickstart.
Yeah.
It looks fucking good in knobblies, mate.
It looks so good. Oh, I love it. I'm cooking though.